Okay, I have my handy dandy Autell. So I'm gonna take this piece. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna insert it right there, right there. Okay, it's in. All right, I'm gonna diagnostic. Auto detect VIN. Okay. I'm gonna press yes. Okay. I'm gonna press okay. Okay, we're in. So now we are gonna go to some of the hot functions. And we're gonna go to electronic parking brake. Okay, at electronic parking brake, we're gonna tap electronic. At hot functions, we're gonna tap electric parking brake. And you can also see that on the dash it says parking brake diagnostic mode. Okay. We're gonna go to F1, apply a parking brake, F2, release a parking brake. So we're gonna press F2 to release the parking brake. And you should hear a sound. Okay, now they are both open and I am able to replace the rear brake pads. So I'm gonna leave it like this until I put the new brake pads on and everything's back assembled. Then I'm gonna come back in here and I'm gonna press F1 to apply the parking brake. So I'm just gonna turn the car off right now.